This video discusses 3 email marketing mistakes that businesses need to avoid like the plague. If you want to enhance your business email reputation, get higher open rates and click-through rates, you need to take note of these serious mistakes. So we'll start with the third mistake, not sending a welcome email. You see, when someone signs up for your email list, they are expressing interest in your brand. So by not acknowledging their subscription with a welcome email, you can lose their attention and leave them feeling unappreciated or forgotten. To overcome this issue, implement an automated welcome email sequence that is triggered immediately after a new subscription signs up. This initial email will serve as an introduction and will set the tone for future communications. The welcome email should always include the following elements. First, a warm greeting. Second, a brief introduction. Third, a value proposition. And fourth, a call to action. For example, let's say a new subscriber named Jessica signs up for a clothing brand's email list. Hi Jessica, thanks for joining our insider list at Brand Name. We're so excited to have you as a part of our community. As a special welcome gift, here's 20% off your first purchase at website link. Just use the code WELCOME20 at checkout. Stay tuned for exclusive deals, style tips, and all the latest news from Brand Name. We can't wait to inspire your wardrobe. By receiving this personalized welcome email, you will immediately feel valued and excited about the content you will have access to as a new subscriber. Now, the second mistake is sending too many messages. This always leads to high unsubscribe rates, low engagement, and can damage a brand's reputation because it makes a business appear spammy or inconsiderate. To avoid the pitfalls of sending too many emails, here is a strategic approach to follow. 1. Clearly define the purpose of your email marketing campaign. 2. Segment your audience. Not all subscribers have the same interests or preferences. 3. Plan your email campaigns in advance. And 4th, ensure that each email you send provides valuable content, exclusive offers, or informative resources to make sure that your emails are worth opening and are worth engaging with. Now, the first mistake many businesses make is not making it easy for subscribers to reply to their emails. This can lead to missed valuable interactions and missed conversions. Let's say your company sent an email promoting a new product and the customer is interested in learning more or requesting additional information. If the email uses a no reply email address, the customer might become frustrated and he may even abandon the entire process entirely. To address this issue, ensure that all your email campaigns includes a clear and accessible reply option. This can be achieved using a real email address, not just a no reply email address, so that your subscribers might hit the reply button and immediately initiate a conversation with your company. But if the volume of your replies become overwhelming, you can include a contact us link within the email body that will direct subscribers to a dedicated landing page or contact form. This approach will just streamline the whole communication process. Now, I want you to go to the comments and tell me which of the strategies you are going to implement. You can easily just type strategy 1, 2, or 3 to indicate the ones you will implement. So pause the video now and do just that. If you have an Instagram business page that is getting low post engagement and low sales, check out this video on 5 Instagram mistakes brands are currently making on Instagram. So click on the video and start refining your Instagram strategy. I'll see you in that video. Bye. Many businesses treat their Instagram profiles like a radio advertisement. This leads to very low engagement because normally engagement comes if your viewers love your content.